Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. We are proud of our 4-H program and would like to share and highlight the youth leadership and services that they provide to our community. We would like to thank our first responders during the current pandemic. Our 4-H ambassadors led a community service project by collecting kits to provide to our first responders as a thank you for their hard work. The 4-H ambassadors were able to rally 4-H clubs to participate in this community service project. But first, a message from our 4-H County Extension agent.
Good afternoon, Hidalgo County 4-H. My name is Romeo Zuna, your 4-H agent. What we've been doing this year is having to meet virtually. Due to the COVID-19 situation, it's kind of been hard for us to get together like we normally do, but we've been able to manage and we've been able to move through it together. So some of the things we've been doing this year are having virtual county council meetings, virtual ambassador meetings, and meetings like that. So this year, the 2020-2021 4-H ambassadors decided to do a community service project and donate care packages and goodies to the first responders and the nurses that have come from out of state to come help our hospitals take care of our community and those that are sick with COVID. So I want to thank all the 4-H ambassadors that donated items. We had every single ambassador representing every single club donate care packages. I want to thank every single one of them for doing what they did. And that's it.
Thank you, Mr. Ozuna, and 4-H ambassadors, as well as our 4-Hers. Remember to stop the spread, please wear your mask, and follow social distancing.